Hey there, it's Mark. I'm going through the cases. I've actually already done A, B. Those are published, those videos. C, there's C, and also D and E. D and E. I already actually, they're not published yet. These haven't published. This will publish like Friday. But hey, I already made the A case. I'm going to have this on eBay. So it's either on eBay now. It got sold anyways. I'm done. 72 cars, no doubles. I basically wound up having to take cars from A. There were so many busted blisters in this case. I don't want to mix them in with this case. I'm going to sell them separate in a lot, busted blisters. So this way people get a discount. They know that they have busted blisters. So I wound up having to go A, and then I went to B. And that still wasn't enough to fulfill the case, and I had to get a few out of the C case. It won't change the videos that are published. It changes what I put on eBay. When this A case is up, it's actually going to have cars from A, B, and I think some from C. But treasure hunts, that's what it says in the title. Here you have, this was the treasure hunt that was in the A case. It shows A right there. This will not be in there because, I take it back. This one will be in there because I went to check my treasure hunts and, no. This one will not be in there. Which is the one this one. A. The A case, I don't know if I have the Baja bone shaker. So here it says treasure hunt right on it. Can't miss it. Behind the card there'll be information. It's hard to see. There's text right there. It's hard to see. Circle Flame logo right there, right on the top of the hood. So this was the treasure hunt for the A. Here's the B case. B. This one has a special feature. You can snap the barbecue closed. I'm pretty sure. Does it snap closed? I think it snaps closed actually. I know in Hot Wheels Unleashed it bounces around when you drive. But the actual die-cast version, I think you can close the barbecue and snap it closed. You can't miss the Circle Flame logo on the package. This one, kind of hard to see because the vehicle's big. Circle Flame logo for this one was, I should get something to point with actually. Here we go, back to the A case, right there. Circle Flame logo. That looks like that Circle Flame logo right there. That's the basic treasure hunt insignia, and it's right here in the graphics. A little hard to see. Can't quite see it right there. This one, it's right there, but you can't tell because of the angle. You can't see. A, B, and this one's E. So C case, I'm keeping the C too, but the D case did not have a basic, didn't have a super. E case had a basic treasure hunt. I don't remember if it had a super. Guess what? I was able to get another one. I found one on the pegs, so I can let this one go. I'm not sure if I think that it's going to wind up. Should I put it in the first one? I'm not sure if I'm going to put it with the A or another one. Let's see. Skull shaker. This is a vehicle. When you roll the vehicle, the driver rocks back and forth. Where is the Circle Flame logo indicating a basic treasure hunt? Here's the Circle Flame logo. It'll be behind the package. And American or English packages, they will have information back there too. There's some writing. International packages will just have the Circle Flame logo behind it. It'll be on the car and it'll be on the package, but there'll be no writing behind the package. I know what the C case was. I'm going to snip, when I did the case unboxing video, I'm going to snip that part out and I'm going to put it at the end of this video. So this way you'll know what the C case. I didn't look up the D case. I don't know what it is. So what I'm going to do, if I'm going to keep a treasure hunt that came out of the case, this one I have an extra, so I can let that one go. I have extra treasure hunts from back in the day. And we're talking about back in the day, we're talking, let's see, 2015, where are you? 2013. And then these two here, 2015, 2015. I have extras of these because I was doing a lot of hunting back then. So I will go ahead and put a treasure hunt in there anyways because I have extras. But that's only the 2021 cases that I'm putting on eBay. The Circle Flame logo is right there for winning formula. I really wish that I would be able to, let people pick which treasure hunt they want. But I can't because eBay might say I'm misleading people if I put five. If I put 5 in a picture and saying you get to pick one, they might say, well, they thought you meant all 5 were included. Well, so I would just pick one and stick it in there. T-Rextroyer. This vehicle came from the Hot Wheels creature creature shifters. I forget. This is when it debuted, so I'm really glad it wound up coming to the basics. Here is a Circle Flame logo right there. It's pretty tiny. Yeah, it's supposed to be small. It's supposed to be, it's supposed to be a hunt. Fangster. I'll be honest. People were leaving this on the pegs. People did not. It's not exactly a popular vehicle. It has the information on the back. Not a whole lot of room for circle frame printing. And see this is very textured. I don't know if they ever print on this right here. Oh, but there's room right there. Pretty cool. Look, they have a Circle Flame logo and it's all crackly. That's kind of neat. Forward speed. This might have been one of the Team Hot Wheels vehicles in the back. This treasure hunt car is hard to find and highly collectible. Collect all 15. Yeah, 15 per year. 1 for each case code. And the Circle Flame logo, it's kind of faint. This is purple, and then they have it like a lighter purple in the middle. And it is on, it looks like it's on both sides. I will definitely be, I'll be keeping a couple Fangulas for myself, but I have more than that, so I'll be able to put them in the cases and let them go. Here we have information behind the package, and the Circle Flame logo is right there. So, for these Exodus cases that I'm making, I have treasure hunts I'll put in. I'll put them in until I run out of the extras. Sometimes I'm going to keep the ones that come in the case, like these. I'm not positive if I found extras, so that's why I have to keep them. This one, I know I have an extra because I have it in my box of extra treasure hunts. But that C case, I'll go ahead and show you what it was. Here's a copy from the original unboxing video. Custom 77 Dodge van. It's the Jack in the HW Art Car series. So it has the letter A on top. Lots of decos on this model. So if you find that, it'd be great. This is the basic treasure hunt of the C case. And you see the Circle Flame logo right there in the middle of your screen. This is the basic treasure hunt. You know, basic treasure hunts are probably in half the cases or over half the cases. There's a lot, but you can't. It's hard for you to tell that this is a basic treasure hunt. It has text behind the model, but it's kind of hard to see because the van is so big. I thought I heard yeah, sure enough, look, I got a crack right there. That's okay. You want to see what it says behind the van? Here you go. It says, "Congratulations. This symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt car." Notice how the logo's silver? So, basic treasure hunt. They're in over half of the cases, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't work for Mattel. But it's still nice to find. Don't forget to check my eBay for my extra cars. That's where they're going. 72 count cases. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.